Hello, in this video we will cover how to order a conventional lab test, which is any test done at a laboratory like LabCorp or Quest or a similar lab. So to order a test, we start on the patient page, which is this page, and we go to the requisitions card. And we click the New button. This brings us to a new requisition modal. We can search for tests on the left. We can use recently used tests and just quickly add them again, or we can use a test on our favorites list. This time the test we're looking for is not here on the favorites or recently used list. So let's manually look for that test. Here it is, insulin response to glucose, 5 specimens. Just click it, and now you can see it's been added to the requisitions card. Notice that it has a delete icon, which is active versus the other tests that have long ago been completed and wouldn't be deleted from the card anymore. So we can hover over the row and we can see the insulin response to glucose 5 specimen details. The physician created this just a minute ago. The patient payment date is blank because the patient has not paid for it yet, and of course the lab completion test date is blank. So in summary, the status of this test we just ordered a few seconds ago is we're waiting for the patient to go to the portal and make a payment for that test. When they do pay for the test, this will be instantly updated and there will be a date on the patient payment row. Another way to look at this information is in the expanded modal. It's the same information. Here is the test we just ordered a few seconds ago, and patient paid and so on is blank because we're waiting for the patient to pay for it. So the next thing that happens is the patient is going to receive an email automatically from the system. We don't have to email the patient letting them know there's a new requisition because they've automatically been emailed. And now we're going to wait for the patient to pay for it. Let's sign into the patient portal. Okay, so here is the patient portal sign in, and the patient will sign in, and they can go to the Purchase Labs page, and there's the test that the physician just requested that they get done. So they're going to select that test. They're going to choose the credit card they'd like to use, and then they click Purchase. Confirm, yes. So the patient has now completed paying for the test. They can now get their requisition. Just click on the requisition line. They can print this off, bring it to Quest, and get that test done. And now we're just going to wait for Quest to give us their results.